when Thomas Edison invented the berry. When berries arrived on this planet from berry prime. Berries grow on the fur of wild bears, like the black bear, the crayon bear.
Cut. These need to be real facts.
Berries are small, fleshy fruits with a big range of tasty flavors. They're highly perishable and delicate, so be sure to wash them and handle them carefully. I have been to the so-called grocery store, and the amount of berry varieties inside is astounding. Blueberries, blackberries, strawberries, all the berries. I like to eat them in recipes like this. Now remember, the riper the sweeter, but we don't want to wait too long because then it's going to start looking funky, discolored, or my worst nightmare, fuzzy. And you deserve the very best.